Many people think getting rich is only possible with a high salary, but that's not true. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how wisely you use it. With discipline, patience, and the right strategy, even a modest income can lead to significant financial success. I've created the Rockstar Method to help build wealth on a low salary. It focuses on restraining impulse spending, optimizing your budget, and increasing income through side hustles. Consistency is key. Automate your savings to ensure steady growth. Knowledge empowers better financial decisions, so keep learning. Sacrifice now to enjoy a better future, cut unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation, and save aggressively. Time is your ally. The earlier you start investing, the more compound interest works for you. Automate your savings and investments to stay on track, and reinvent your mindset about money. See it as a tool for freedom, not just spending. Start small but start now. Stick to the plan, stay consistent, and let time work in your favor. Wealth building on a low salary is possible, you just need the right approach.